After adding all desired shades to the room, I can now add a remote for the room I'm working in, right in the app. For this room, I do have a remote, so I'm going to select yes. The name of the remote here will default to my room name, or I can always change it. First, select the group number. We're going to begin with group 1. I'm going to select the shade to add to the group number. I'm going to continue this for all 4 shades on a single group, each from left to right. Remote control operation can be customized at this time or later within the app. I'm also going to group the back shades on group 5 and the side shades on group 6. Looks good. And I'm going to click Next. Now pick up the remote. If it's new, be sure to pull out the battery tabs. In the app, we're going to select Start Sync. Then we're going to press and hold the stop button until the group numbers light up. And just like that, the remote is programmed for the shades and ready to use. I can even test it for proper operation. I can also always add additional remotes, update existing remotes later in the app menu. Here are a few basic functions of the remote for your shades. You can press Open once to fully open the shade for a completely open view through the window. Press the left arrow to lower the bottom and middle rails to a bottom stack position. Press the right arrow to raise the middle and bottom rails. Here are some double-click functions of the remote for shades such as these with operable middle and bottom rails. Double-click Open to raise the bottom rail only. The middle rail won't move. Double-click Close to lower the bottom rail only. The middle rail won't move as well. Double-click the left arrow to lower the middle rail only. Double-click the right arrow to raise the middle rail only. On the back of the remote, simply remove the cover and add 2 new coin cell batteries. Please refer to your remote setup guide for additional instructions. Okay, we are ready to move on to the next step.